Hello, God's people. I'm excited to welcome you back in today's broadcast. This month, my girlfriend and I will be celebrating our 27th year together as man and wife, and we are excited. For that reason, I have decided to drop 2 tips on relationship, and I'm sure that the things I want to share with you will be a huge blessing to every one of you that are married, and for those of us that are looking forward anytime from now to get married. I teach that relationship is the ship in which your world sails. Relationship is the ship in which your world sails. Therefore, it's important that you take everything that concerns your relationship very seriously. I have 3 tips to share with you that relates with the health of your relationship. Number 1, your mindset, the right mindset. The right mindset. Philippians chapter 4 and verse 8 tells us how a Christian should think. And looking at Philippians chapter 4 and verse 8, you find out that God tells us how we are supposed to think as believers. But a closer look shows that you need to think that way in every aspect of your life. You need to think that way in all areas of your life. You need to think on the things that are pure. You need to think on the things that are good. You need to think on the things that are right. You need to think on the things that are of good report. If you want the health of your relationship to be sound, you will need to put up the right mindset. You need to think the right kind of thoughts. For instance, your spouse has gone out and usually should come back by 5 p.m. and by 8 he or she is not back, and then you allow your mind to wander into things that are not of good report. You allow your mind to wander into things that are not pure. Well, that kind of mindset may eventually attract chaos into that relationship. So if you want to preserve the health of your relationship, and this is what my wife and I have done for the last 27 years, we have made sure that we think only on the things that we desire, the things that we want, the things that we want to see in our relationship. That's exactly what we think on. And if you do the same thing, I promise you that it is going to help your relationship a lot. The right choice of words is the second thing that I want you to consider as a tip for the health of your relationship. The right choice of words. In Matthew chapter 12 and verse 37, Jesus said, by your words, you'll be condemned. By your words, you'll be justified. So everyone's relationship can go the direction of the choice of their words. You need to be careful what you say in your relationship. You need to be careful what you say concerning your relationship. You need to be careful what you say to your spouse. You need to be careful what you say to the blessings and to the children of your family. As a matter of fact, you need to be careful to what you say concerning everything around your life. It's important. This goes a long way to determine the health of your relationship. My wife and I have ensured in the last 27 years that we speak only those things that we want to see. We speak only those things that are encouraging. We speak only those things that will lift us. That's the way you need to speak. I want to encourage you that is listening to me. You need to know that if you keep saying those negative things, you will have them eventually in your family. But if you continue to say the things that are good, the things that are of good report, the things that you want to see, you will definitely, at the end of the day, find them manifesting in your home. So I encourage you to cultivate that attitude from this moment on. Number 3, the right set of actions. The right set of actions. In Genesis chapter 4 and verse 7, God told Cain, if you have done the right thing, would you not have been accepted? So many people do not realize that the way they handle their relationship, what they do in that relationship matters a lot and affects the health and the sanity of their relationship. You need to be sure that whatever you do in your home and around your home are the things that will produce the exact same result you desire in that family. When you relate with anybody, ensure that your actions are pure. Ensure that your actions will bring back to you as fruit the things that are glorious, the things that are wonderful, the things that depicts blessings. The things that you do must be the things that you desire. I want to believe that if you put these three things into practice, you will enjoy the glory of God, and you will see the health of your family. You will see the health of your relationship bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. Remain blessed in Jesus' name.